Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today we are going to be continuing our 10-minute challenge video series. If you haven't seen the last video, I was using our Burgundy Petite pack to try to do a full collage spread in under 10 minutes, and I had a lot of fun and people seemed to like it. So since I have so many leftover pieces from that kit still, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and do a tag decorating video and see if I could decorate some tags in under 10 minutes. So as always, I will have links to everything down in the description box below in case you want to get these kits or see what other Petite packs we have in our shop, or you can use whatever items you already have lying around. And like last time, this video is going to feature not a voiceover, but me decorating for 10 minutes straight in real time, and I'm going to have that timer popped up on the screen again for anybody who wants to join in and decorate along with me. And just to shake things up a little bit more this time, I decided to challenge myself further by telling myself that I have to include puff tape and some fabric scraps in this project. So that's what my goal is. We'll find out how successful I am here in a little bit. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but feel free to challenge yourself if you would like, and post whatever you come up with on our Facebook page. I would love to see it. All right, without much further ado, let's jump right in here. If you haven't already, pause your video, get all your stuff out, and then we can do this together in real time. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh my gosh. The panic. Nope, I'm already panicking. What do we do? Okay. I don't know why I'm tearing everything. I could also just like cut things, but something about having only 10 minutes makes me feel kind of primal and I need to tear things. Oh, this is gonna be so much worse than the other thing. I can already feel it. This is not gonna look near as good. I've already messed up. I don't like it. Hold on. Wait, no, stop. One sec. Okay, hold on. I know what I'm doing. No, for sure. It's gonna be fine. I can do this. Hold on. Okay, we've lost precious time, but it's nothing to be afraid of. I wish I had more butterflies. Maybe a bird. Do I like birds? I'm questioning everything. Oh no, this is not, I don't like it. I'm already not happy about it. Okay, maybe something like that. Yeah, no, maybe. I am filled with regret. Oh no, this is not gonna go well. I think nope. Oh, I forgot I was supposed to use puff tape. No. Am I gonna get one tag done? This is terrible. I hope everybody else, if you've decided to join me, I hope things are going better for you right now. I hope that you're already on like your 3rd tag and that you feel awesome and that you love it. Oh, that's really stuck there. There's no changing that. We get to just accept that as is. I don't know. What am I doing? What? That's the problem. There's not enough butterflies to fix all the problems. I don't know. I don't like it, but we're gonna do it anyway. Maybe once I add a string to the top, everything will be better. I forgot I need this. No. Oh dear. Oh, that would have been kind of cute if I had thought about it like a minute and a half ago. Oh boy. Okay, it's fine. Shh. Nope, I've only got 7 minutes. It's not fine. Oh, there's a wee bit of panic. Oh, it is really thundering too. Did you hear that? That is a lot. I don't think I like them overlapping outside of the tag. I don't know what I'm doing, but but I'm doing it anyway. Okay. You know, we're just embracing it. We're going to embrace the fear and panic. I was very ambitious. Oh wow, it is 6.5 minutes. I was like, I'll decorate all of these tags. Just you wait. I had big dreams. I love that I believe in myself. I really do. But I need to have a conversation with myself about realistic expectations. I don't know. Sure, a pocket. That can't go wrong. Oh, it's already going wrong. I really got that over the edge. Oh, nope. What am I doing? Maybe today will be a lesson in sometimes it's okay to plan things out ahead of time. Nope, that's too big. Oh boy. Sometimes it is necessary to ask ourselves big questions like, does this make sense? Should I have chosen another option for the layers? Do I have enough fussy cut butterflies? That is a question I should have asked. That is... It's gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. I needed more labels. Where are my labels? I swear I had more labels. Maybe I don't. Oh, okay. Where is it? I found it. This isn't gonna make any sense. 5 minutes. Oh, we're already halfway through. I'm on my third tag. That's kind of like half, right? Oh, that's not. This isn't ready. I am so sad about this entire experience. I need more stuff. Stuff that makes more sense. I need more flowers. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh no. What am I doing? Oh, we've reached the random singing part of the video, so you know things are going well when. Oh boy. I wish this was slightly different shaped. Do I like that? Do I know why I'm making these decisions? I don't. Okay. Oh no. I want more contrast. Where's... What am I gonna do with these? I don't know. I'm gonna save them. I don't think I'm gonna use those. Oh no. Oh, the paralysis is happening. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel the panic. It's... Do I have any cheesecloth in here? Yes, kind of. Oh, I don't really get to determine the shapes today, but that's okay. We are learning how to be free in our creativity. Oh dear, this is really, that's not good. That's not great. Stop. Yeah, that's for sure gonna stay on there. That was enough glue. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I want some contrast here. I don't believe in myself. It's not good. Oh, here, we're gonna do this and then we'll use the stuff. I'm really not feeling super confident in my choices right now, but that's okay. I keep telling myself it's gonna be okay so that I don't stress out. Okay. Wow. This is nice. Maybe I need to just keep layering things. I don't know why I'm doing this. No, stop. This is so cute. I really want to use it somewhere. But where? Where does this make sense? This needs something at the top of it, and I just can't decide what should go there. I feel like I need another label, and I'm kind of out of labels. Oh, there's a label, but it doesn't really work. Oh, wait, that's a bird. Okay, the bird will be fine. Where do we want the bird? No. No! Oh. Can you hear the panic noises I'm making right now? A minute and a half. This is not good. This is bad. Shh. Stop. This is such a smaller space to work with. So I'm trying to think. Usually I can do better than this. Nope. This is so pretty. I don't want to ruin it. I'm getting into that point where I'm like panicking about using stuff that would be nice to save for better projects in the future. What do I do with the top of this thing? It does not look good and I don't know how to fix it. Oh, it's bad. We're panicking. Panic. Okay, it's fine. Nope, 30 seconds. It's not fine. It's not fine anymore. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. No, I don't like it. I'm not happy. I'm not proud of myself. We are devolving into true panic here. 17 seconds. Why am I gluing a teacup down? I don't know anymore. Bird. Maybe. I was very ambitious. I really thought I hardly used any of the stuff I said I was going to try to use. That's not great. Oh, 1 second. Oh, this wasn't glued down. Okay. Okay. Hold on. All right, so now that the chaos is done, let's go ahead and take a look at sort of how things turned out here. There are some things I like and some things I don't. So for this first tag, I like most of it, but this label here I felt like kind of clashed. There wasn't really anything to pull this color into the rest of the tag. This one made me the angriest. I just don't think it looked very good. It feels like it needs something else up here, a little more color, a little more contrast. This one was probably my favorite, although this little tag here has a random label glued to it, which is kind of awkward once it's pulled out, so I'm not sure if I love that. The fourth tag is probably my favorite, even though it is fairly plain, but I think that simplicity kind of helps. And then the last tag, again, it's pretty cute, but things are a little crooked and there's not a ton of contrast. So what I'm gonna do is take these tags and some of my leftover supplies and some other extra things and just see if I can't fix these up a little bit and make them look a little bit nicer. I've noticed that one of the things that a lot of people seem to struggle with when they're doing any kind of junk journaling or crafting project is that they worry that they're going to mess up in some way or waste their supplies or that they can't fix it. And I just want to show you that even if you don't love something that you've made, you can almost always fix it or use it in a different way. Like for example, if I liked part of these tags, I could tear them off and use them to decorate another tag or something like that. But for today, I'm just going to kind of rifle through the leftover labels that I have and maybe just try to be a little bit more thoughtful now that I have a little bit of time. Again, this is kind of outside of the 10-minute challenge, but don't feel bad about taking something and fixing it. It's your art. That's more of just a way to get you to experiment and see what you can accomplish in just 10 minutes. I did technically make 5 tags that could go in a journal, and I'm just going to take an extra couple of minutes here to fix them up a little bit more. So you can see on that first tag, I decided to just cover up that label that I felt was clashing with one that I feel matched a lot better. And then I'm just going to kind of continue things like that. I did take some butterflies from my pink Petite pack kit that I still have available to me, just because I felt like a little bit like it needs more butterflies. You know me, I feel like everything could use more butterflies all the time. If you have something you're like, this doesn't look good, try putting a butterfly on it and see what happens. Otherwise, I was just sort of filling in blank spaces, replacing labels, adding labels, even going in some of the edges with a little bit of distress ink to give them a little bit more contrast and things like that. Just sort of filling in spaces. I, can shape up my cheesecloth, things like that. And just trying to make these look a little bit nicer. They're still the same tags, but just a little bit more thoughtful. And even so, I didn't still love everything. For example, this tag here just felt kind of like a mess, so I'm just gonna toss it away. And I'll just keep the ones that I really like, and I'll probably use these in future projects. So this was still fun, like to stretch my creativity and see what I can do in terms of just having 10 minutes to decorate things. And I'll kind of pop a comparison on screen to what they look like right after my 10-minute challenge versus once I put a little bit more time in them. So you can kind of decide which ones you liked better. Do you think having a little bit of extra time helps? All that stuff. But otherwise, I hope that you had fun crafting along with me today and that you'll give this 10-minute challenge a try. Try creating some tags. And if you do, remember to post them on our Facebook group so that we can see them, we can share, we can compare, and see how things turn out when we've only got 10 minutes to decorate a tag. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for crafting along with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to our channel, we have lots of other decorating tutorials that aren't just 10 minutes and look very, very nice. So please make sure to go check those out as well. But otherwise, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!